Hi guys, my name is Abby and welcome to my first video. So I'm pretty sure we all have a special someone in our life that we would like to give a gift to on Valentine's Day, whether it's a boyfriend, a girlfriend, or a best friend. But our only and the biggest problem is our bank account. So I thought it'd be a perfect time for me to show you a few DIYs that are cute, easy, thoughtful, and low on a budget that you can make on Valentine's Day for a special someone. So I'm gonna stop talking now and let's get started with the DIYs. For the fortune cookies, all you're gonna need is some felt paper, any color that you want. I'm gonna use pink since it's Valentine's Day, a hot glue gun, tiny pieces of paper, some twist ties, scissors, and a circle shaped item that you can use to trace your circles. Now just start tracing your circles on your paper, and as far as the size go, that's really up to you how you want your cookies to end up looking at the end. I personally prefer the smaller ones since it looks a little bit more realistic. Now you can just cut them all out, and once you do that, you can just put them to the side for now and make sure you turn on your hot glue gun because it takes some time to heat up. But meanwhile, you can write down your fortunes. You can write like real fortunes since it's a fortune cookie, but you can also do quotes, whether it's funny ones or cheesy ones. It's really up to you what you want to write in it. Now get your twist ties out and then just make sure that they're the same length as your circle. If you need to cut them, then go ahead and do so. By now your hot glue gun should be ready to go, so just put some hot glue in the middle of your circle as well with a twist tie on top of it. Once you let your glue dry up a little bit, just grab your fortunes and put them in the middle as well. Now just fold your circle in half, pinch the top middle part inwards, that way the two ends can meet, and then just pop down the other side. For the Morse code bracelet, you're gonna need some beads, some colorful string, some wire, a wire cutter, and a long rounded nose plier, and a pair of scissors. Start off by going online and looking up the Morse code alphabet, and then split your word in sections. In my case, I'm doing sisters, but you can do other words, or you can use the name of the person who you're trying to give this bracelet to. And make sure that your beads are different sizes or different colors. That way you can kind of distinguish between the dots and the dashes and the space between each letter. Cut 3.5 inches of wire and then grab your round nose pliers and make a loop on one end. Now start putting the beads through the wire the same way you split up the word in sections. Once you're done putting in your beads, grab your round nose pliers again and make another loop. Now cut 6 inches of your string. Fold one of the strings and it will give you like a small loop on top, and then just tie a knot. Then twist about half of the remaining string. Now tie the same string, the one that we just twisted, and with the loop on top through the loop of the beads. And then just cut the extra string off. Grab your other 6-inch string and put it through the loop on the other end of the beads and tie a knot. If you want, you can leave the strings as it is, but I wanted to add 2 small beads at the end of them. And if you don't want to do it with wire, you can also do it with stretchy elastic string, just like I did right here with the red and white one. You're going to do the same thing, but instead of adding string to the sides, you're just going to add additional beads to finish off the bracelet. So you're going to start by mixing 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1/4 cup of sugar, 3 tablespoons of flour, and a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Then just mix it until you get that creamy consistency. We're going to put that to the side for now, and then we're just going to work on our cookie dough. So you're going to need a box of real velvet cake mix, 2 large eggs, 1/4 cup of oil, and then you're just going to mix it as well until it's ready. By now you should start preheating your oven to 375 Fahrenheit, and then just grab your baking pan and your parchment paper. You're gonna start by making a small ball and flatten it out. Use your cookie cutter to get that perfect heart shape, and then just remove the excess. You're gonna repeat the same step twice because you're gonna need 2 hearts for each of the cookies. Once you have both hearts, then just top one of them with the cream cheese mixture and then place the other heart on top, and then just pinch both hearts together. And then just continue this step until you're completely out of your cookie dough. This one was my favorite, not only because I get to eat the cookie at the end, you know, but because I was able to do it with someone else. I did it with one of my friends, and it was very fun and exciting to make. Now just put them in the oven and let them bake for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, place half a cup of white chocolates in the Ziploc bag and then melt them in the microwave. Then pour some of the melted chocolate into a hard mold to make some small hearts, and then just let them harden. And just wait patiently for your cookies to be done. Once the 10 minutes is up, remove them from the oven and let them cool down for a few minutes, and then just top them off with those white hearts that we made. Now for the last DIY, and by far my favorite one, you're going to need some poster paper, and you can cut that into the sizes that you want your lottery tickets to be. Some scissors, acrylic paint, a bowl, a brush, and dish soap as well. Start off by mixing 2 tablespoons of soap with 2 tablespoons of acrylic paint. You can use any color that you want. I just think that the gold or silver looks way prettier. And then just put that to the side for now. And then for this next step, you can either go online and print some templates out, or you can do it on your own, like freehand. I started by writing down my title with a pencil, just in case I messed up. I can always go back and fix it. Then I just went over it with some markers and pens just to make it stand out a little bit more. Once you're done with your title, write down your messages. For this one, I named it Love Lotto, so no matter which one the person scratches off, I know they will feel happy and loved, you know, with either a free movie of their choice, a foot rub, a massage, or a free dinner. Now, to protect my messages from being smudged or torn apart whenever they're being scratched, I'm just gonna apply some tape all over them. Now just make some boxes around each message, that way they can kind of stay separated from each other. You can do circles and hearts as well, since it's Valentine's Day. You can decorate your lottery ticket by doing like different designs on it. I personally cannot draw, so I went for the easiest thing, which was like stripes and polka dots. But even then, I kind of messed up, but whatever, it still kind of turned out cute at the end. Now grab your paint and soap mixture and fill in your boxes and let them air dry. For the most part, you're only going to need 1 coat of the mixture, but just in case you need another one, you can add it until your message is no longer visible. Once they're completely dry, then pass them out and have that person take out their lucky penny and start scratching. And here are some other lottery tickets that I did, so you guys can kind of have an idea. I did movie night, girls night out, what to eat, and for the 2 hearts, you can write like a secret message inside of them. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, whether you're on a budget and you were looking for ideas, or if you're like me who enjoys making creative and unique gifts for your friends. I just think it adds a special touch to it when you sit down and take your time to create something for your friend, a unique thing for your friend. So if you guys enjoyed the video, hit that like button for me and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!